nervous system patterns in relationships is constant reassurance seeking. It's exhausting for both parties. And this is the cycle where the nervous system repeatedly looks outside itself for confirmation that the relationship is okay, that love is still present, that connection is safe, or abandonment is not coming. And like many women, I used to judge myself harshly for this because intellectually, I often knew that the relationship was probably okay, but emotionally, my nervous system still felt unsettled. So I would seek reassurance, more clarity, more closeness, more certainty, more confirmation, more let's just talk deeply. And after working with thoughtful women navigating these same patterns, I've discovered this is incredibly common in sensitive nervous systems that learned earlier in life that connection could just disappear unexpectedly. Because reassurance seeking is usually not about neediness, it's about nervous system safety. If emotional safety felt inconsistent growing up, then the body learns to keep checking, to make sure everything's still okay, to stay emotionally alert. So now, inside adult relationships, even small moments of uncertainty can activate fear. A delayed text, a different tone, less affection than normal, emotional distance, conflict, or even disconnection. And the nervous system begins searching for relief. And this can look like asking us if everything's okay repeatedly, needing constant validation, overchecking emotional connection, monitoring the relationship, people pleasing, or struggling to emotionally settle without external reassurance. And here's the important part. Reassurance often does help temporarily because co-regulation matters. Humans are relational beings. But when the nervous system has not yet developed internal safety, then reassurance becomes short-lived. The relief fades quickly. And then the nervous system begins scanning again. And this creates exhaustion for both parties because eventually reassurance stops feeling regulating and starts feeling like survival maintenance. And that realization changed everything for me personally because for years I thought if I could just get enough reassurance, I would finally feel safe. But I've discovered that no amount of external reassurance can fully settle a nervous system that still expects emotional danger internally. And this is why healing is not learning how to stop needing reassurance. That just usually creates more shame. Healing is actually gradually helping the nervous system build internal safety, emotional regulation, capacity for the uncertainty, and the ability to remain connected even when reassurance is not immediately available. And that is the deeper embodiment work. Not becoming emotionally independent in a cold way, but helping the nervous system slowly learn that connection can remain safe, love can remain stable, and uncertainty does not automatically mean abandonment. And if you recognize yourself in this pattern, please know that you are not broken. Your nervous system may simply be searching for the safety it learned was inconsistent earlier in life. And healing includes learning how to create more of that safety internally over time. In the next video, we're going to explore another topic that many women struggle with, and that is the emotional hangover that comes after conflict. If you're interested in learning more about embodied repair and nervous system healing in real relationships, you can subscribe below. And if you want to understand why awareness can disappear during emotional pressure, You can also download my free guide below. It's called Why You Understand Yourself But Still Lose Yourself in Relationships. If this was helpful, please let me know. I do look forward to your comments. Until next time.